And I'm Liv. And we're the Mescia twins. So if you guys don't already know, I don't actually think we've announced it on our YouTube channel yet, but we are going to Hawaii. When this video comes out, we're actually going to be in Hawaii. So we thought, what better timing to do a travel essentials, what's in our travel bag, and
Hawaii prep.
Yes. So basically we're just going to show you guys everything we pack, our essentials, and by essentials we mean like carry-on essentials. Before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed because we upload every Wednesdays and Sundays. Keep an eye out on all our other socials and make sure you follow them because there's going to be heaps of Hawaii content and we are so excited. Yeah, let's just get straight into it. Firstly, we're going to show you guys our ideal traveling backpack. The one that we use is just this massive black leather backpack. It's actually so big. When I have it on and it's like got everything in it, it makes me feel like a 3-year-old that goes to daycare and their like backpack is just as big as them. I know I got it from Universal store, but don't know what brand it is.
It's actually like a perfect size though. When we're traveling on a plane, we prefer to use a backpack rather than like a little suitcase because then we can just like put it under our feet and it's just really convenient to get to.
Yeah, so it literally fits everything in it because it's just so big. Yeah, it's just perfect and I love it.
Let's gonna get started with what we actually put in our bag. I would say the first thing our go-to would be our laptop and all our chargers.
We carry this around because we edit our videos on it and it's just convenient, super light as well. And we carry our camera equipment, our camera tripod and our vlogging camera. So this is what we do most of our traveling content on. A lot of people actually ask what camera we use. We use the Sony HX90V. I think that's the model, I don't know.
We don't highly recommend it. Like the best camera to use I would say is the Sony GX7 or something.
And then of course our phones. Where would we go without our phones? We also carry headphones with us. These are just convenient so we can use these when we're editing our YouTube videos. I really want to get the Bluetooth wireless headphones.
Yeah, I know.
Not that advanced yet.
Something else we like to take is our passports.
This is the first thing that we like to make sure is in our bag because if you don't have it then that's a disaster and you're not going on your holidays.
We like to take our diaries because we write everything in our diary of each day that we're spending on our holiday, what we're doing, and we like to plan things out.
Yeah, so the diary I carry around is this from Typo. It's just a really cute diary. I like to write everything. We're both very visual.
I like to write everything, yeah, that's so plain.
Yeah, we're just both very visual people, so we like to have everything written down. Another important thing to take on the flight is a pen. Most international flights and stuff, you have to like declare things and stuff like that. We always forget to carry a pen and I always ask.
We're always the annoying person that dings the little bell and asks for the flight attendant's pen.
You don't want to be that annoying person.
So next we're going to take stuff for sickness and stuff like that. As you can probably tell, I sound like a man at the moment. It's because I'm sick. So I am very prepared and I'm going to take so much stuff over with me on the plane to make sure I don't feel even worse. I've got my little packets of tissues which are really important, and I've also got some little Dettol wipes to just wipe down all the surfaces and stuff like that. Germs are really spreadable on planes. And I've also got these earplugs because I'm sick. All the pressure is probably going to make it really bad on the plane.
So on the topic of health type stuff, the pressure on the plane can really dry you out and like dry your skin out and just everything. So we always make sure we have water. We like to just make sure we drink water before the flight or anything so it's really hydrated. We also like to take some eye patches on the plane because these are really good at hydrating the skin and you just put them under your eyes. Yeah, they're just really convenient. We don't like to wear makeup on flights personally. These are just really good when your skin's clear of anything and then you just put these on and really hydrates them. Something we always like to carry around everywhere we go in general is just lip balm. I honestly don't know what I'd do without lip balm. I just always have lip balm on. Another thing is a roll-on deodorant because obviously you can't take on cans or anything like that. When we were coming home from Bali last time, someone smelled so bad. Do you remember that?
No.
Yes. Remember we were talking about it, someone smelled and we were like, oh, that's just so rude.
Oh yeah, no, it was smoke.
Smoke.
It was cigarette.
Oh. Very handy.
The next essential that me and Ashley like to take on a plane is food. Well, food that you can take because they can be very strict sometimes. We personally don't eat the plain food. We don't like it and yeah, we just have dietary requirements. So we will take whatever we can because I know it's really hard. Normally take like little packaged stuff. Anything like a protein ball or something like that. We take a few things of them just to keep ourselves satisfied and they're good too. So these are the Health Lab ones. If we could take fruit, we would take fruit. Okay. What we have done before before is we made up a container of just a bunch of vegetables, kind of like our lunch. On our way to Bali, we literally had our own feast. Like, we had a plastic bag of just all our own food. Yeah. Everyone was eating the plain food. We just pulled out our lunchbox. Yeah. Also, something I did want to show is a portable charger. When we travel, this is an absolute essential in general. It is honestly just a lifesaver. Because I don't know what it is, but when we travel and everything, battery just dies so quickly, and we're having to charge these and take these every day, everywhere we go. So that basically wraps up all of our travel essentials, what we like to take on the flights with us. So we're just gonna like tell you guys what we like to do as our Hawaii prep. Yeah, and so this is completely optional, obviously. This is just what we like to do, but we went and got our nails done. So yeah, you would have seen us post on our Instagram stories. So we're also going to go get our eyebrows done and tinted. This is just really good at not wearing makeup and stuff. When we travel, we hardly wear makeup any day, so it's maybe a tiny bit of concealer or tinted moisturizer or something. Yeah. So just having like already done brows or features is just really handy. A lot of you guys always ask where we get our brows done as well, and we go to Lauren Danielle. She does amazing eyebrows, and yeah, she's just really good. So we're gonna leave her Instagram in the description bar. Yeah, we also go and get our lashes done before a holiday. This is also just the whole makeup thing. We don't like to wear makeup, so this just helps us not wear mascara and false lashes. We don't have to worry about any of that stuff. So yeah, we go and get our lashes done. So another thing we like to do to prep for our holiday is get a facial. We absolutely love getting facials, and last week we got one from Dermavisuals. They are like specialized in skin. They're so educated on skin, really professional. Yeah, the minute we walked into the facial, she knew exactly what our skin needed and what our skin struggled with, and it was just insane. Like, it was, yeah, amazing. She truly was amazing. We might leave her links down below as well. Yeah, actually, yeah. So that is basically it for all our Hawaii prep and carry-on essentials and travel essentials. What's in our bag. Yeah, we're super excited for Hawaii, and we hope you guys can stay tuned for all our content, because the videos and the photos, make sure you keep a lookout on Instagrams and on YouTube. Yeah, so if you really enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave a comment below what your favorite travel destination is. That's a good idea. Yeah, definitely subscribe as we upload twice a week. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.